common adjectives. Big, big.
Big tall tree provides shade on hot days.
Small, small.
Small little ant carries food to its nest.
Long, long.
Long, lovely river flows through the valley.
Short, short.
Short, funny story makes me laugh.
High, high.
High in sky, birds fly freely.
Low, low.
Low down dirt is good for planting.
Good, good.
Good yummy ice cream melts in your mouth.
Bad, bad.
Bad rotten apple smells terrible.
New, new.
New shiny shoes make me walk faster.
Old, old.
Old cozy blanket keeps me warm at night.
Continuation of this full video is in the description. Title of the video: Basic Fist 100 Words for Beginners. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.